I received treatment at St. Vincent's Hospital. At the time they had a clinic there. I believe they still do, but in 1999 it was one of the only clinics in Ireland. So with a lot of encouragement from my parents, because I would have been just not 18 yet when this really got to its worst point. And my friends, there was just huge support for me to get treatment. And my parents fought tooth and nail to get me on this program. It wasn't private care, it was public, so it was very hard to get onto it. It was group therapy, it was mindfulness back then. I was on medication. So it was a treatment plan to get me better. And it worked. And the people that ran the clinic, the nurse at the time, her name was Noelle Hickey. She's no longer with us, but she was an angel. And then it's monitoring it then once you come out of it, because I think a lot of people, if you've had an eating disorder that's caused weight loss, you can very easily slip the other way. You know, you're kind of like, oh, now I'm just going to eat everything in sight because I'm fine now. And it takes a while for it all to settle down. And because food is something you have to live with, it's actually difficult. You know, I can't imagine what it's like to have addiction issues with alcohol, but you don't need alcohol to live. So you can actually completely eliminate it from your life. Whereas with food, you have to find a way to have a healthy relationship with it and with your body. So yeah, it was very much following a really excellent treatment plan with professionals, and having at the time parents who were like pretty woke from 1999, you know, and a boyfriend who was massively supportive and ended up marrying him. So that worked out.